Yeah, good afternoon. I finally got done doing what I've been doing out here in front of the barn for the last 2 months almost. A couple hours in the morning, a couple hours in the evening. It's either been too hot or too rainy. Today it's been a pretty decent day though. Well, anyhow, what I've been doing, I started out with them welders. I think I done a video on them old welders I took apart. Then I went out, trailer load of stuff I got to sale pretty near a year ago. What I had 50 old generators and about 25 starters, and I finally got them all took apart. And 3 or 4 of them was pretty rough going getting, but I finally got them. Anyhow, I'll show you what I got. I got a dirty workbench and a lot of aces here where things caught on fire when I used a torch on different things. Well, anyhow, these 2 buckets are field windings out of the starters and generators. They're kind of, and that's copper out of the rotors or the armatures for the starters, and this bucket's the wire out of the armatures for the generators, and these are the copper, the commutators. The last bunch didn't come very clean, but that's good enough. Anyhow, then right there's a bunch of the outside shell or whatever for them starters, and there's the heavy pieces that goes inside the magnets or the coils. And look at all this scrap iron I got here. They probably got 2 ton here. I gotta get that big motor over there, got it set it out of the way, and then the rest of this is all junk. And those 3 pallets there had the starters and generators on, and I saved a few pieces, but other than that, I finally got these done. And oh, it was kind of rough going. I clamped a rotor or armature in this vise and take a screwdriver and pliers and pull the wires out. And anyhow, there they are. Got a whole bunch of bolts left over, and there's 4 of these things. I'm not going to clean them. They're put together different. The copper part is real thin, and the inside is Bakelite or plastic or something like that. It don't want to come apart very good, and you got to beat and pound on it and work on it and everything, and then you end up and you ain't got probably a 1/4 of what a normal one would have. Yeah, that's paper. Oh well. So anyhow, I still got these big heavy welder parts to get rid of. They're too even heavy to move. So that's about it of it. I gotta go out there next day or 2 and get a load of, I got, I think 4 or 5 loads of scrap iron loaded up. I gotta get a trailer of one of them and haul it to town, get it unloaded, then back it up here and get this stuff picked up. So I'll get that done and we'll tell you how much. Well, I don't know. This ain't enough for not enough here for a load, so I'll have more in. So one of these days I'll get it done. So anyhow, that's enough for now. Oh yeah, that I videoed what I had on the truck from sale Saturday. That's on a video I ain't got put up yet. Well, anyhow, I bought 4 chainsaws for $5 a piece. And some guy wanted one of them, so I said, give me my $5 back, you can have it. So he took one of them. I brought the other 3 home. And anyhow, there was a really nice looking Echo. Little Echo 310, I think they called it. Anyhow, I dumped the gas out of it, put new gas in it, primed it up real good, pulled the rope once, and it's fired right up and run just slicker than a whistle. So I guess that was alright for my $5 for that one. Or $15 if I count the other 2 if I don't do anything with them. So anyhow, that's about all I'm going to do today. It's about dinner time. Alright, that's all. Well, I got a load ready to go town. I got a few pieces there from the auction last week to get off the truck. I got that pair of trailer tires for $5. Can't beat that. Well, anyhow, here's a bunch of those welder, generator, starter parts, about a half a load. And then I went out in the field and got a loader bucket full of some ordinary looking heavier iron, kind of make this load look a little bit more decent. I gotta cut the handle off that big old 4-jack because I don't want it, but anyhow, it's kind of foggy this morning. It's sprinkling rain. I hope I get this off, maybe in a couple hours, so I'll get to town, get rid of it, because there's an auction coming up this afternoon over at Lewistown, and the auctioneer called me. He says, bring a trailer, it's got sideboards. You reckon there's another 50 or 100 starters over there to tear apart? I hope not. Anyhow, that's about what we're doing today. Got my oxygen thing off right now. I got a mess of stuff to clean up. Oh boy. Alright, that's enough for now.